Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how you can stop your Windows 11 getting updated right away. So, the first step is I know I'm in Windows 10, but this also works on Windows 11. So, you want to click on Windows key and then R, and then you want to type services.msc. Make sure you click OK. Then, once you're here, once you're in the services, you want to scroll down and find Windows Update. You want to go here, Windows Update, make sure you find it. And right here, this is also the same, the UI of this is also the same in Windows 11, so you don't have to worry following this tutorial. And then once you find Windows Update, you want to right click, and then you're going to see stop here. Make sure you click stop. And there we go. You have now successfully stopped Windows 11, always updating from time to time.